All right, let's talk about live pointers. Live pointers is a brand new update that is recently released in Google Slides. You'll notice if it's activated because underneath the share button there'll be a little icon of a mouse pointer. If it's black, it means it's activated. If it's white, it means it's not activated. So if you do not want to show your mouse pointer to other people, just leave it off. If you do, you can click it on and it will show. But on the benefit here is it also shows that all your collaborators could work on this at the same time. This is supposed to be very beneficial for co-creators and collaborators to visually point out elements within a slide in order to highlight important information and content. So as a quick little demo, I have a few different computers rolling here. So here's a Chromebook I'm working with right now that's showing a live pointer active, and then I grab my other computer here and see if I can do this at the same time. So I have a few different live pointers happening on the screen. Multiple ones happen on the screen might get too busy, but I'm sure it has its purpose, and I want to share this with all of our staff. The other one, which I think is beneficial as well, is being able to follow collaborators. So if I was to pick on my collaborators on the top right, on the top of the screen, you'll see how many people are collaborating. So if I click on one, it'll say it's following, which means that my screen now should flip every time that person is flipping through all of their slides, which is really nice because sometimes you don't want to run a Pear Deck or anything like that. You just want to be able to show your presentation to all your students' screens, and this is a great way of doing it. And it's the same way the students could do it in reverse. So if you want to have your students present their slides onto your screen without having to do connecting their device, they could do the same thing. They could actually you could click on following of the other person, and then that person now could be flipping through their slides, and it will be doing that on your screen as well.